The Anka 3 drone, Turkey's advanced military UAV, is now progressing through its trial phases following a successful AI-powered missile launch. This cutting-edge drone, which made its inaugural flight on December 28, 2023, is designed for both reconnaissance and attack missions, significantly enhancing Turkey's military capabilities. Equipped with a state-of-the-art Selfler 500 electro-optical camera, the Anka 3 recently executed successful firing tests using the Teber 82 guidance kit developed by Roketsan. During these tests, the drone flew from Murted Air Base to the Asakir firing field, where it accurately hit its target, demonstrating its combat effectiveness. With a takeoff weight of approximately 7 tons, the Anka 3 can reach operational altitudes of up to 40,000 feet and speeds of 0.7 Mach. The drone boasts a remarkable payload capacity, allowing it to carry 650 kilograms of ammunition at each of its 2 fuselage stations, as well as additional payloads on its wings, totaling up to 1,650 kilograms. As the Anka 3 advances through its testing, it represents a significant leap in unmanned combat technologies for Turkey, contributing to the nation's growing defense capabilities in a global context. Its successful operations are expected to further bolster the capabilities of the Turkish armed forces, making it a crucial asset in modern warfare. What are your thoughts on the Anka 3 and its impact on military technology? Share your views in the comments below.